In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Python application to Firebase Realtime Database. To get your Python app talking to Firebase smoothly, we'll start in the Firebase console and prepare the database with the data structure your code expects. Begin by opening the Firebase console in your browser and selecting the project you want to use. Make sure you're in the correct project workspace so any changes you make affect the right environment. This is especially important if you maintain separate test and production projects. On the left-hand navigation, open the Build section. This is where Firebase groups its core backend services. From there, choose Real-Time Database. If you're opening it for the first time, you may see a quick setup prompt. Just follow the on-screen guidance so the database is available in your chosen region. Once you're in, you'll see the database overview with tabs across the top. Switch to the Data tab. This view shows your database as a JSON tree, which mirrors exactly how your Python code will read and write data. At the top of the tree, locate the three dots menu. This menu controls high-level actions on the selected path. Open it to reveal the import option. Choose Import JSON. Importing is the fastest way to seed your database with initial values or migrate sample data for local development. When the file chooser opens, select your JSON file and click Open. Your file should be valid JSON and shape the way you want your data to appear under the selected path. For example, if your Python code will read from a top-level node like users or tasks, make sure your JSON mirrors that structure so your queries return what you expect. Confirm by clicking Import. Keep in mind that importing at the root will overwrite any existing keys with the same names at that location, so it's a good idea to back up current data first or import into a nested path. The console will process the file and refresh the tree when it's done. Take a moment to expand a few nodes and verify the structure and values look correct. With your data in place, your Python application can now connect and interact predictably. You'll point your code at your database's URL and authenticate using the appropriate credentials for your environment. For development, use minimal access where possible, and never embed secrets directly in code. Store them securely. Also review your real-time database rules to ensure your app can read and write what it needs without exposing data publicly. That's it. Your Firebase real-time database is prepared and ready for your Python integration.